severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Logan County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mulhall, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Langston, Blackwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe